You are welcome to Geonoting online class, your digital tutor. Okay, here on the board we have math fun. Of course, here is angles between lines coupled with triangle, of which we know that a triangle is a polygon. There are principles to guide us here. Then looking at this number 2 is a simple algebra, though tricky, but we are going to do justice to it. Without wasting time, we are given this figure here. We have exterior angles labeled X, Y, and Z, unknown. But inside this triangle of this line on these lines, with angles lying on the lines with exterior, we have 37 degrees, 58 degrees. Wow! Then we are asked to find the sum of X, Y, and Z. That is X plus Y and Z. But before we do that, we first of all need to get the individual values of X, Y, and Z and now add together. Okay, so for this, we start by, let's take from X. X is equal to this plus this, because some of the opposite interior angles is equal to the exterior angle. So by this principle, S is equal to 37 degrees plus 58 degrees, which will give us 95 degrees. Then we go to Y. Y plus 37 degrees will give us 180 degrees. That is angle lying on the same line, on a straight line. The angle in a straight line. So, which are supplementary. Then we have that Y will be equal to 180 degrees minus 37 degrees. Since Y plus 37 is 180. Then 180 minus 37 here, we have 143 degrees, of course. Then we go to Z. Quickly, we know that Z will be the same thing that happens here. Z plus 58 degrees will also give us 180 degrees, which is exterior angle plus interior angle in a polygon, and also sum of angles in a straight line, which is supplementary. Therefore, for Z, it should be 180 also minus 58 degrees interior, and that will give us 122 degrees. Then, for the sum of X, Y, and that is X plus Y plus Z, we add. When we add now, we have 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2, 10. We write 0, carry 1. Put 1 here, it becomes 10. 10 plus 4, 14 plus 2, 16. We write 6, carry 1. Put 1 here, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. We have 360 degrees, which is also true for the sum of exterior angles of a given polygon, which is in line with the same interior, with the interior angles. So our answer here is 360 degrees. Good. Then let's go to number 2 question. For number 2 question, we are given that x squared minus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to y. Do not bother about this y here in this equation. Treat this place, whatever you get here is the quantity equivalent to value y. So for that reason, we recall a principle too, which says that difference squares is operated this way. When you have a square minus b square, it becomes a plus b by expansion into a minus b. So with this principle now, we can treat this. Do not forget that x squared minus 1 is the same thing as x squared minus 1 squared. Do not forget, because 1 raised to power 2 is still 1. So 1 squared is also 1. So expressing it in this quantity, but going by this, we will now know that it will now become that x plus 1 into x minus 1 all over x plus 1. Since x squared minus 1 is the same thing as x squared minus 1 squared, and we treat it with this case. So here, x plus 1 cancel x plus 1. We are left with x minus 1. Therefore, x minus 1 is equal to y, as we have here. By implication, our y is equal to x minus 1. Simple. That's the value of our what? Y. Therefore, y is s minus 1 by equivalent quantity here in the equation. I believe you enjoy this math tip or math form with me. For more of this, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe for free and click the notification button that will be updated each time I upload new tutorial videos on mathematics and physics as well. Keep also following me on my Facebook page at Joseph A. Nwosu or my other Facebook page of Jonathan Online Class. Do not forget to share this kindly to all math lovers, especially students and pupils, this holiday or long vacation they are enjoying. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.